Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't even matter, or you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Bluesky right now. Plus, a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for Bluesky and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Bluesky. Why? It works seamlessly with Bluesky. That's super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I've tested. Minimal latency, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and awesome download and upload speeds. Features? This one's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Affordable for what it offers, and the support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and fairly cheap considering what you get. Negatives? Only a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Bluesky is IPVanish. Why? It's a simple, no BS VPN focused on pure performance. Speed? Crazy fast with consistently low latency. No glitches, no packet loss, just a smooth Bluesky experience. Features? Has all the essentials you need, plus some cool extras like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, so you can route just Bluesky through the VPN or not. Pricing and support? Great value, often cheaper than competitors, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs. And that's backed by an independent audit. Encryption? Best encryption tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy buffs nervous. Also, its server network is smaller than the others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want pure Bluesky performance on a budget. Third best VPN for Bluesky is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed? Very good. All those servers mean you'll almost always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby. Features? Loaded, kill switch, solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option. Support's pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? No logs, and their no logs policy has even held up in court. Encryption? Top-tier encryption that's even customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, its app isn't quite as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want a huge server network and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Bluesky: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even picking one based on colors or logos will be just fine, because they all work perfectly with Bluesky. Quick recap to wrap this up: if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Bluesky. A premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Bluesky VPN with awesome value. Choose PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced options. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've included exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.